Too many steps.
It just wouldn't be a Wagner trip if there wasn't rain and wind and all kinds of crazy weather.
It's definitely a bad day for solar.
Yeah. But those windmills are pumping out the power today. Ready to get there. Yeah, ready to go. We have finally arrived.
Man, I was racing to get here when we still had daylight.
I know.
We just made it.
Barely. It's leaving us as we speak, but getting the Jeep unhooked so that Mike can dump and refill the fresh water, get back to our site here at Maquoketa State Park in Maquoketa, Iowa. And we got some more rain, so of course we got the dirty old windshield to clean off. Well, that is our site that we randomly picked online. Breakfast is gone.
Yep.
Had French toast and sausage, and the dogs are still hoping to get some.
They got a couple scraps.
Yeah, a couple little pieces of French toast and stuff. But we need our energy food today because we plan on doing some hiking and it is cold out there.
And we need to get moving because it's 10 a.m. almost.
Yeah. All right, let's get going. It is starting to flurry out here just a tad bit. It's supposed to be really windy today. So we apologize for all of the wind noise to come, but nothing we can do about it. We'll try to shield it as best we can. And maybe the trees will help block some of it. Should be really good hiking. They actually have a lot of caves. Now, the caves, most of them are blocked off because they're used for bat hibernation, but it's still pretty cool. Piper. No bark, Pipe. It was peaceful.
He is ready to go.
He just is losing his mind over here.
He wants to go for a hike.
Yeah, this is the single row of the campground. It's just one loop, small.
$12 a night.
Yes, and that is a highlight. And of course the fact that it's only us, the camp host, and one other person, which I have yet to see anyone, so.
Yeah, we saw a DNR truck run down
Yep.
back, and that's
it.
all we
All
see.
the activity.
I see little snowflakes.
Yeah, still spitting them out a little bit. Well, we got a windbreak right there.
Yeah, we're down this little tiny valley. It's nice.
Yeah, it's actually very beautiful too.
Yeah, we stopped. The guy's crying.
Yep. Well, this would have been cool, but it's road closed. Look, Pipe stairs. Yeah, another shallow one. What do you think, Pipe? Huh?
She wants to live here.
She's like, it's blocking the wind. It feels good in here. You got me here. Good girl, Pipe. You too, guy. And Mikey too. All right, I gotta reel you back in, girlfriend, because
This is the edge.
we at the edge.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Wow. It's hard to give perspective in video,
I know.
but it's way down there and it's big.
But there's like
Oh yeah,
a
there's
boardwalk,
big, yeah.
so we'll go down there.
Up the stairs and there's more going up, our favorite over there.
Piper's favorite.
Types of caves. formed by underground flow of water. Very cool. See that, Mikey? No rock climbing or rappelling, sorry.
Oh man, I brought all my rappelling gear too.
I know. You were so excited. Man, that is a big cave.
Yeah, it is.
I really hope we can...
Sucks that it's closed. I mean, we can go up to it. We just
yeah,
can't go in it.
we're not going to go in it.
But man, it's awesome.
It kind of reminds me of Ash Cave.
Yeah.
And-
Cave.
Ash in Hocking Hills.
That one.
Yeah, that one. There's the natural bridge. So cool. Oh yeah, now Piper's in her happy place. She's leading the way,
Yep.
jumping up rocks.
Doing some off-roading.
Man, this is super cool. Can we walk on top of that?
I think. I don't know.
Guess we'll find out. Oh yeah, look at that. Don't put your toesies in there, Pipe, you'll freeze. She's trying to find, yeah, she's looking. She's like, there we go. Good girl. She's so smart.
Watch what Guy does. She's just gonna step.
Oh, I came across this map.
We are located right about here.
Yep.
Roughly there.
I always like bats.
Yeah.
Plus they eat mosquitoes. What better creature to like?
Right.
I wish we could really put it in how we see it with our eyeballs.
This place is one of those hidden gems.
Definitely a hidden gem. We love to go to the states that people don't think about visiting, and seeing something like this.
At least, like, you know, in Ohio, when people say, I'm going to go camp somewhere, people automatically go to, like, Smoky Mountains in Tennessee, or they go down to Destin, Florida, or Myrtle Beach.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever heard anybody say, I'm going to Iowa.
Yeah, this was our destination.
Yeah, this is why we came here.
Yeah, we came here for this park, and I am not disappointed. I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
It's been phenomenal, dare I say.
Yeah. What are you doing? Come this way. Look at her. She's just like, nah, go this way.
Look at her go. God, we're lagging behind. Oh, God.
Come on!
Too many steps.
We are way up in elevation now. Super windy up here. We came across another, like,
Cutaway,
yeah.
natural bridge.
yeah, a little natural bridge thing. It's pretty cool rock formations and everything here.
Really good hiking. I mean, it's actually a pretty small, like, piece of property for
Yeah.
a state park, but the hiking is awesome.
Yeah, I agree. Very nice. What do you think, Pipe? What do you think, Guy?
They want to keep going.
Yeah, they're like, stopping. We got ourselves some little creepy cabins in the...
Blair Witch House.
Yeah.
Stabbing cabin.
How you doing back there?
I'm making it. I'm making room for Hershey bars.
Oh, yeah, I'm making more room for more beer for sure.
So, if you do the math, I probably burned like 17,000 calories now.
17,000.
And each Hershey bar has like one calorie. So when we get back, I'm gonna wreck me some Hershey bars.
Oh my gosh. So that means I can drink all the beer in the fridge and still be within my caloric intake, just like by Mike Matt.
Might be a little tore up.
Oh yeah. It'd be very tore up.
What do you guys think? Should Lynn get tore up? Leave it in the comments. Thumbs up if Lynn should get tore up.
You know, one of my favorite things about this trip so far is that we've literally seen 0 other people, dogs. We did see a cat, some stray cat, but that's about it. It's been so peaceful and relaxing that this is why
winter camping's the best.
Yes.
Look at this angle of balanced rock. I mean, it's a big rock, right?
Yeah, I mean, it looks like you could just push it over.
Yeah, I'm sure many have tried.
I'm sure. They're probably boys. So they do have firewood here, and it is available for purchase by donation. So I think we might actually partake. We have to actually go get money to do that, but
We typically don't carry cash for very much of it.
yeah.
So
But if you are here, you can buy firewood.
when I do carry cash, I use it to start my fire.
So here's a bunch of trees that they've been cutting down throughout the park.
They've been pretty busy clearing trees out.
Yeah, very busy.
There's stumps everywhere now, sawdust.
So it looks like we got some people in a tent.
Tenter's way back there. It's kind of cool.
Yeah. Looks like we did 5.8 miles.
That was a good hike.
Yeah. I burned, it says 472 calories. So
Oh man, you weren't trying then.
I didn't earn as many beers as Mike earned Hershey's bars.
No,
apparently.
I did not.
Yeah.
That's one of how many? Because you're gonna get tore up, right?
Oh gosh. Depends on how fast I drink them. Depends on the tore upness.
How many are in the fridge?
Probably 30.
Oh man,
A lot.
you better get to the bottoms up.
Whew. I don't know if I can. Where's your candy bar? We gotta pace each other.
We're going to do our internet speed test. Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Let's see what we get. Results are in. Number 1, first place is going to be AT&T. I have 2 bars of LTE. I just went to 1 bar of LTE. 51 download and 2 upload. Verizon. I think this comes in second place.
Yeah.
Download is 10, upload is 2.4. So how did T-Mobile fare? Third place?
Yeah, definitely third place. Yesterday it was better than this, but this is just pitiful.
And you got 1 bar of LTE, 2.49 down, and 0.6 up.
However, I have been able to do web browsing, and I have been able to send text messages. So, you can still do stuff.
Yeah, it's been that way with all 3 here. And they've all worked. It's just
They're
how
all
much
slow.
speed do you need? It
Right.
depends on what you're doing. If you're working,
Yeah.
with that internet speed, you definitely don't want 0.6 as your upload.
Yeah, you're not going to be uploading a whole lot of nothing. I'm assuming when Mike said I should get tore up, he actually meant that I should tear up the kitchen and make a pie. So I'm going to be baking ourselves a nice pumpkin pie. Perfect for the season. And yes, this is dinner. Because we're adults and I said so.
We do what we want. Isn't that right, Pipe?
Oh, she's very interested in this whole process. 15 minutes in this high temperature. 425. And then I'll turn it down to 350 and continue for like 40 minutes.
40?
40.
That's a real long time from now.
I know. It may look like it's midnight outside, but it's actually maybe 5 p.m.
Let's see. It's 5:08.
What do we have over here?
It's hurting me.
It's a pile. However, you seem to be getting a butt in your face.
Yeah, I am. And she farts a lot.
Piper must have heard something. Heard that the pie is done. Look at that beauty that I made that Michael tried to take credit for.
I let you take credit for.
Yeah, okay. If you guys think Mike actually made this pie,
thumbs up.
No. Leave a comment below. Let me know who you actually think made this beautiful specimen of a pumpkin pie. Oops.
Yeah, the dogs would love that. Mm-hmm. Well, that's all that's left. So what do you think of the campground?
I really like this park. Come here, guy. You need to stop crying, please.
He just won't stop.
He's such a crybaby. So Lori, who comments a lot about the dogs, she says that Guy is very emotional, and that is 100% true.
Yeah, and then there's Piper over there.
Stoic,
yep.
mature, self-righteous.
All of the above.
All of the above.
So I personally don't have a bad thing to say about this campground.
I really enjoy it, especially now because there's almost no one else here. The only other people we've seen are those tent campers that came in today. But that's it.
Yeah, and we only saw them because we walked down there.
Yeah.
It's just us here, really. It's quiet. It's small park. Yep. But the hiking was awesome.
The hiking was great. I thoroughly enjoyed everything.
Yeah, we got 50 amp power. It's $12 a night.
Literally $12 a night. You just almost can't even beat that. It's so great. In Ohio, you'll never find a campsite, even if it's not electric, for $12 a night. It just doesn't exist.
No. So our next dilemma is we're trying to figure out where to go next. We would tell you where we're going, but we don't know.
So our options, we've narrowed it down to heading up to Wisconsin, heading up to the UP of Michigan, or going over to Indiana, because there are some parks over there that we have been meaning to get to that we haven't been able to get to yet. So unknown as to where we're going after this.
Yeah, I guess you guys will just have to
wait and see.
Yeah, you see where we end up.
Same as when we'll find out, is pretty much when we wake up, like, where do we feel like going?
Yep.
So I guess we're just going to close this out right here and catch you guys later. See ya.
See ya.